This 2018 Winnebago Fuse 23T is a Class B RV. It is located in Hot Springs, Arkansas, 71901 and is offered for sale by Quality Wheelz. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Winnebago is 24 feet 0 inches in length and features Sleeps 4, DVD player, TV, water heater, refrigerator, stovetop burner, slide-out, air conditioning, skylight, microwave, auxiliary battery, and 27 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class B features front living area, mid-bath. This 2018 Winnebago Fuse 23T is built on a Ford Transit 350 HD chassis and is powered by a Ford engine. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.